As your governor and congressman for the past 18 years, it has been a great honor to serve the noble city of Legazpi, a city destined for greatness. Ang ambisyon kang Albay, nagkakaigwang direksyon sa Legazpi. Isa, Legazpi provides jobs for our people, markets for our products, credit for our businesses, and schools for our young and gifted. Dalawa, Legazpi is the window to the soul of the people of Albay. Legazpi an inat na nahihiling kan bisita sa Albay. Their first view of Legazpi is their first impression of Albay. Tatlo, imahen kan Legazpi sa lindong kan bulkan mayon an inat minasabat sa tampikan Albay Gulf kun senyaon pa an mga girkan panahon kan mga Amerikano. Legazpi's capacity for greatness is the measure for Albaway's capacity for greatness. Kapag mauswag an Legazpi, marikas an pag-uswag kan Albay. There is no global Albay if there is no noble Legazpi. Keto pa, ang Legazpi, nakadestino na para sa darakulang bagay. Isa, an Albay Chamber of Commerce and Industry sa Legazpi, second oldest Chamber of Commerce sa Pilipinas, when Albay was the richest province due to Abaca. Dalawa, Legazpi ang cleanest city in the Philippines sa panahon ni Mayor Los Banes. Tatlo, Legazpi ang ginibong administrative capital kan Bicol sa panahon ni Mayor Gregorio Imperial. Apat, Legazpi ang naging sentro ng kultura asin kasaysayan kan Bicol sa iriram ni Mayor Mel Roses, na iyon nagpoon kan Ibalong Festival. Over the past 2 decades, when the visions of our leaders aligned, Legazpi experienced an unprecedented infrastructure boom, through the shared efforts of local leaders and representatives on the national stage. For my part, we opened new roads linking Legazpi to neighboring towns, from farms to the urban center, towards the new airport, to tourism sites, and towards the city's suburbs. We expanded the capacity of BRHMC, put up the Bicol Cancer Center and Bicol Heart Center, established the Bicol University College of Medicine. We modernized BUS facilities, renamed and enlarged the Legazpi City National High School, and built social infrastructure such as 58 covered courts, health facilities, 140 classrooms, and evacuation centers near and far. Rising from the tragedy of Riming, when I became governor, we weathered dozens of storms with 0 casualties. We survived COVID-19, with the 2D Albay having one of the best pandemic responses in the country. Legazpi gained immensely from being the regional city with the largest number of representatives in Congress, at one point having 6 congressmen. Ngon iyan, hagad ko gare nakita magkasararo asin magpatinarabang tabang, tang inang arig kan dati, an mayaman na burabad kan gobyerno nasyonal asin komersyo hail sa iba-ibang parte kan kinaban, pad-agos na magbulos sa gobyerno lokal asin sa namamanwaan kan Legazpi. With your mandate, I intend to finish the work we began and start new efforts to make Albay and Legazpi truly global. Isa, international flights sa Bicol International Airport, make Legazpi as gateway of foreign tourists to Almasor Tourism Circuit, Albay Masbate Sorsogon. Dalawa, itutugdok ang Legazpi Global City sa dating airport with Bicol International Sports Stadium as centerpiece. Tatlo, prepare Legazpi for greater things by making it investable. Aleco modernization, now being implemented with a budget of 1.2 billion pesos, to stabilize supply and reduce systems loss, thus lower power rates. Fix the water situation in Legazpi, with an initial earmarked budget of 385 na milyong piso in LWUA, para kayang yakamodar ang pagiging first highly urbanized city of Bicol. Apat, Albay will soon become a renewable energy powerhouse with existing 250 new in Tiwi and 150 new in Manito, ongoing geothermal of 17 new in Cale, 29 megawatts in Nagutgot, and approvals of wind farms for Bololo Chomson of 99 megawatts, a new entrant Alternergy with 150 megawatts. New geothermal at Mount Malinaw at 50 megawatts and 30 megawatts in Cayabon. 5. With our UNESCO's Man and Biosphere inscription, we must proactively work together to keep it while vigorously campaigning for our bid to place Mayon Volcano in the World Heritage List. 6. Ibalik ang sigla asin agmakan Saturday ong mga festivals na pigselebrar an Saturday ong istorya asin kultura Ibalong, daragang magayon, kagsawa sa daraga at iba pa making Albay a Planet Festival. 7. Invest in our creative industries and bring out the core of our unique heritage including Culinarya Albay, visual arts where we are most competitive painting and sculpture. 8. Pakusugon ang Estado con Legazpi bilang sentro nin komersyo sa Bicol sa paginin containerization con Legazpi Port, kasabay con tabako asin pantao. 9. Ibalik ang Legazpi sa pagiging convention capital of Southern Luzon. 10. Ibalik ang pagiging sports capital con Legazpi, building upon its capacity in staging the 2016 Palarong Pambansa. 11. Ibalik ang Legazpi bilang Center of Culture and Heritage con Bicol, na pinunan con Ibalong Festival, asin pagkaigwa sa Daraga con Regional Branch of the National Museum. 12. Pakusugon ang Legazpi bilang University City con Bicol, sa paginin pagpapakusog sa BU. Smart Campus, BUCENG Laboratory, BUFAB Lab Modernization while bringing back the scholarship programs to enhance access to quality tertiary education, both collegiate and TechVoc. 13. Pakusugon ang Legazpi bilang sentro nin world-class healthcare sa Bicol, sa paginin Global Hospital sa BRHMC while mobilizing funds from MAIP and PhilHealth to give our people access to quality healthcare. 14. Iangat ang quality of life sa Legazpi decent urban housing and urban renewal program sa pagikon pag-access sa 4PH, mas dakal na green spaces, mas transit, theme parks asin recreational boulevards. 15. Protect our God-given natural resources, our watersheds and marine and terrestrial biodiversity, through a prudent land use plan that sustains the quality of life for all including the next generation of Albayanos. 16. Revitalize the primacy of our local governments in DRR and climate change adaptation advocacy, action research and transformative work by revitalizing the Climate Change Academy, LCCAD and strengthening APSEMO, while restoring robust relationships with the CCC and OCD, INGOs, IFRC, and local NGOs, PDRF, TRC, bilateral institutions such as AECID, JICA, KOICA, GIZ, and multilaterals such as UN Family, OCHA, UNDRR, UNFCCC, GCF. 17. Recommit the solidarity of our communities to achieving 17 seedings. Revitalize AMDGOs into ASDGOs to conduct IEC, explore partnerships and mobilize resources in achieving low-lying fruits while building democratic spaces where desirably, ambitious and socially desirable priorities could be targeted and optimally achieved. Sa panahon ngon na mas komplikado na ang buhay sa mundo, sa panahon na pad-agos ang asenso kan ibang syudad asin probinsya, day na pwede sudati sana. Kay puhan tang umaban, kay puhan taan mga bagong pagi para sa pag-asenso, we need new and creative ways to adapt, to control and to master our future. Legazpi is where Albayanos come to dream big. Let me lead Albay to bigger dreams. Let me lead Albay to greater accomplishments. Let me guide you to make Global Legazpi lead Global Albay. Ipapahiling ko Sendo kun paano sa Global Albay angat ang lahat. Diyos mabalos po Sendo Gabos.